friends, this question asked in GATE 2014 in 2 marks. So let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. Okay, consider a selective repeat sliding window protocol that uses a frame size of 1 KB. This is what frame size is given. So whatever is given you need to write. This is a frame size. What is this? 1 KB. 1 KB means is what? 1000 bytes. Okay, on a 1.5 Mbps link, mean this is what? This is bandwidth. Bandwidth is also given. How much? 1.5 Mbps, megabits per second, with a 1-way latency of 50 milliseconds. This is what? This is propagation time. 1-way latency means this is propagation time. How much? 50 millisecond is given. Okay, to achieve a link utilization of 60%. Mean this is what? Efficiency. Efficiency is what? 60%. Efficiency is given what? 60%. The minimum number of bits required to represent the sequence number field is, to represent the what? Sequence number field is. So you need to calculate minimum number of bits required to represent the sequence number field is. So in selective repeat sliding window protocol, we have a formula. What? Efficiency equal to what? N upon 1 plus 2a. Okay, this is N is what? Window size. This is N is what? Window size. Okay, this N is what? Window size. So what is this A? A equal to, as we know that what is propagation time upon what? Transmission time. Propagation time upon transmission time. Okay, so efficiency is given. We need to calculate this A. Propagation time is also given. So we need to calculate what? Transmission time. What? Transmission time. So transmission time equal to what? Frame size upon bandwidth. So frame size is given what? 1000 byte. We need to convert it into bit. Okay, so 1000 into 8 divided by what? Bandwidth is what? 1.5 megabits per second. 1.5 into 10 to the power 6. Okay, so this is nothing but what? 10 to the power 3 into 8. When this 10 to the power 6 will go above, then it will become what? 10 to the power minus 6. Fine. Divide by what? 1.5, right? So this is what? 8 upon 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is what? 5.33 millisecond. This is what? Millisecond. So this is transmission time. Okay, so we need to put all this here. So efficiency equal to 60%. 60% means what? 0.6 equal to what? N need to calculate. Okay, upon 1 plus 2 into what? Propagation time. Propagation time is what? 50, and transmission time is what? 5.33. Okay, so what you will get? 0.6 equal to N upon 1 plus 2 into 9.38. 9.38. Okay, when you will divide 50 by 5.33, then you will get this. So 0.6 equal to what? N upon 1 plus 18.76. Okay, so this is what? This is what? N equal 0.6. So this is what? 0.6. When you will add this 18.761, so 0.6 into 19.76 equal to what? N. Okay, so N equal to what? 11.35. When you will multiply, then you will get this. Okay, so in selective repeat sliding window protocol, the sender side is equal to what? Receiver side. Sender side is what? 2 की power n minus 1. Then the receiver side, window side is also 2 की power n minus 1. So we need to multiply it by 2. So window side equal to what? 2 into 11.35, because the sender window size is equal to receiver window size. So what you will get? N equal to what? 22.70. 22.70. Okay, so we need to take log base 2. Okay, seal value. So so find out the minimum number of bits. Minimum number of bits equal to what? Equal to what? Log base 2. Okay, and this 22.70. Okay, and seal value. So 2 की power 4 is what? 16. So how many bits you required? 5 bits. Okay, 5 bits. So this is a way through which you can calculate the minimum number of bits, okay, because efficiency is given. The another way that I told you in previous questions, what? So this is a first way through which we are getting how much? 5 bits. We are getting how much? 5 bits. The another way for this is also, what the another way? How you can calculate optimal window size? If you are not going to use the efficiency, so how you can calculate optimal window size of the sender? 1 plus 2a and a equal to what? Propagation time upon transmission time. Propagation time is given, right, 50 millisecond, okay. Propagation time is given 50 millisecond. This is PT. TT as we calculated what? 5.33 millisecond, right. So various way through which you can calculate the minimum number of bits required, okay. So how you will get A equal to what? Propagation time 50 upon 5.33. So how you are getting 9.38. So this is what A. So optimal window size equal to what? 1 plus 2A. So 1 plus 2 into A is what? 9.38, okay. So you will get how much? 19.76, okay. So you are getting 19.76. so when you will take the log, so minimum number of bits required equal to what? Number of sequence bits equal to what? Log base 2 1 plus 2a, right. Log base 2 1 plus 2a. So when you will take log base 2 this 9.76, okay, then you are also getting how many bits? 5 bits. How many bits? 5 bits, okay, because 2 की power 4 is what? 16. So you are also getting 5 bits. So either you can calculate this way, or as I told you, if you are going to use efficiency, then you can calculate this way, okay. So final answer is 5 bits. Okay. You can see the solution also. So इन्होंने और different way में इसको calculate किया है, but they are also getting how many bits? 5 bits. How many bits? 5 bits. Okay. So you can calculate either way. Okay. Thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.